Okay. Another review, another stuff, and today something very big. It's a KO. He's huge, and he has funny sounds like Power Rangers, and he transforms to something very big. So, let's show you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to show you Dark Side of the Moon KO Megatron. Size comparison, guys. This is the size comparison. He's huge. Right? You see? He's so big. So big. Biggie. You, go out. You, go to this place. Thank you. This is a KO oversized Megatron. He's very beautiful. He's not like the fall of Cybertron, War for Cybertron KO Optimus Prime. He's better in his articulation and in his way that he can stand and you can pose him. I will take a little bit. Oh, alright. And I'll take here a little bit. Right. Good. So, the enormous tank gun. Sorry for the sound. This is my light system. So, he's tall. He's very tall. He's about 37, I think, 40 centimeters tall. I'll make him stand. Just a second. Alright. Alright. Let's fix his pose. Okay. Oh, I see your crutches. Woohoo! See, the same gimmick, same everything. The details. This is the claw or something, whatever you call it. I need to paint it and do it more realistic than it looks like now. Megatron's head is a little bit different, I think, because of you know, right protection, but still he has his chest. Now the funny stuff. Look at the head and listen to the sound. Hello? Hello? The phone is ringing.
Let's go, Rangers!
Power Rangers? Let's go, Rangers? What gives?
Let's go, Rangers!
I really like the sound. It's so stupid that it's so funny. It reminds me the sound of the Japanese version of Galvatron, the G2, if I remember right, or G1 that transformed to a gun and unique tank or something. The parts and everything are the same as the little version of Hasbro or Takara. It is well made and it transforms to the big truck. It has hinges here, hinges here, hinges here, hinges here, hinges there, everywhere. Only the head is on a ball joint and it moves, and it has the light inside that make him go. It's so funny. Just a second. Let's take the weapon out. Okay. I hold it with a. That's it. Okay. And I push the gimmick. Krabby crab, Krabby crab. Okay. So, I will transform him into a mighty ugly truck with. Okay, just wait a second. So, this is the vehicle mode. It is very, very long. You see, you can't find the mech sign because it's a KO. But still, he looks the same. Beautiful, well designed. If you ask me, guys, if you are kid bashers and you love painting, repainting, and doing all kinds of stuff, this baby is a go. You can buy it. He's not so cheap, but still, for a KO, you get lots of plastic here. It cost me about $70 without shipping. Even the coloring is the same. I don't have the original Megatron because he's tucked away in some of my boxes, so you know. Anyway, I hope you liked this review. I hope I made it short and not so long as I do every time. But if you have some questions, things to ask, please feel free to ask. I'm happy and more than happy to answer your questions. If you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel and just kidding. You won't regret it. Question, comment, remarks, put in the comment section below. And I will see you soon in another review. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, more or less. By the way, because it's so big, it doesn't come in a box. So I didn't have to throw the box because no box. Package only. See you soon.